Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. In today's video I will show you how to add more thread during your creation. If you create long bracelet during your work, you will need to add some more thread and I will show you how to do it. As you can see here, my thread is short. Now I took another longer thread and I enter to the bead from where the short thread is coming out and weave in our new thread, going up and down into the beads. You need to secure our new thread inside our creation by passing up and down through the seed beads. And then check, pull it. As you can see, our thread is secured. Then pass with our new thread to the beginning where our two threads already are going out from. Our two threads is coming out from this bead. So with my needle I will enter to the same bead. Now there is three threads coming out from the same bead. And we just turn and we continue to work. Leave these two threads going out because we will then secure them too after we will create at least 2 rounds of seed beads. So I will just continue to create my peyote stitch. Now we take our two threads, we make a knot, this way, and then take a needle and weave every thread inside our work. Just go inside our seed beads and pass with the needle to secure our thread. As well, go up and down to secure it better. Be very careful not to damage our seed beads. Then go around the thread in between our seed beads. And enter into the loop. And pull. Then pass a bit more with the thread into the seed beads and cut the thread. Same do with our second thread. Pass with the needle and thread into the seed beads. Then go around the thread, make a loop, enter to this loop, pull, like that you make a knot inside your work, and weave the thread and then cut it. And now we have only one working thread, which we just added, and we can continue our work. This way I add the thread to all my works where I need long thread. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and now you know how to add the thread during your work. Please don't forget to support this video with like and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye!